Well, here at the mansion, a little further away from the mansion, kind of trying to work some of the area away from the hole, just because it's full of nails over there. But I did pull out a nice little buckle. So that's my first. That was the first hole. So I'm gonna stick around here and see how it goes. Alright, we have another little buckle. Very cool. Keep going. And another buckle. Third one in a row. This one was mixed in with some pottery and some glass. That's a pretty cool little piece. I'll probably keep that. Cool. And we got a nice little button. Starting to be pretty good out here. Signals are better over here. So, pretty much almost the same hole as the button. You'll never guess what I found. Another buckle. A lot of buckles over here. Pretty cool though. Another buckle. Working in the same hole. I don't know if this was a dump. I mean, I'm thinking that's what it is. Either that or somebody was getting frisky over here back in the day and they had to get out real quick and left all their clothes. Cool. And we got a little oxen shoe. Aww. Isn't that cute?